deliberately blocks him. Two passengers come out. The taller one's got a short-barreled rifle. The second one has what looks like a handgun. Testimonial evidence is they're trying to get the victim to remove his chain that's around his neck. The victim is somewhat resisting. You can see the victim's hands coming out, trying to push them back or not cooperate. The littler guy goes to the passenger side.
I'm sorry, I hit the wrong button. I was trying to pause it.
Yeah, that's already happened.
Here,
All right.
one more time. So, based on your investigation, the smaller of the two individuals, who is this?
Newsom.
And this bigger person is who?
Boatwright. Newsom's going to go in the vehicle. Boatwright's going to fire rounds in at the victim, and Newsom's going to run out with the Louis Vuitton bag.